Number 1. The Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle offers a versatile cooking solution suitable for a wide range of needs. With its manual control feature, users can adjust the temperature with ease, making it user-friendly for individuals of any culinary skill level. The elegant copper black color scheme gives it a modern and sophisticated appearance that can complement any kitchen decor. Crafted from high-quality titanium and ceramic materials, this griddle ensures durability while providing even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. The Bella brand's reputation for reliability and performance further adds to the appeal of this product. Measuring at 11.41 inches in diameter, 23.03 inches in width, and 2.91 inches in height, the griddle offers ample space for cooking multiple items simultaneously. The 1,500-watt power output ensures fast and efficient cooking, perfect for busy households or entertaining guests.
Number 2. The Bella Electric Griddle is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to enhance your cooking experience. With its manual operation, this griddle offers a user-friendly interface suitable for everyone, from beginners to experienced cooks. The elegant black color of this electric griddle makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen decor. Crafted from durable aluminum and ceramic materials, the Bella Electric Griddle ensures excellent heat distribution and easy cleaning, promising a long-lasting and efficient cooking companion. As a product from the renowned brand Bella, this electric griddle embodies quality and reliability. Its compact dimensions of 12.59 inches in diameter, 22.44 inches in width, and 2.95 inches in height make it ideal for both small and large kitchen spaces. Powered by 1,500 watts, this electric griddle delivers consistent and efficient cooking performance, catering to a variety of recipes with ease. Despite its power, the item weighs a mere 4.73 pounds.
Number 3. Electric Griddle. The Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle offers a convenient and efficient solution for cooking multiple eggs at once with its ample size and powerful performance. Featuring a sleek copper color and constructed with durable ceramic material, this griddle combines style with functionality. With a wattage of 1,500 watts, the Bella Electric Griddle heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent cooking results every time. The griddle's generous dimensions of 11.42 D into 23.15 W into 2.76 H provide ample space for preparing multiple servings simultaneously, making it ideal for busy mornings or hosting brunch gatherings. Equipped with 6 different settings, this griddle offers versatility to cater to various cooking preferences and recipes. The BPA-free construction ensures safety and peace of mind while cooking, and the included 24-inch cable length provides flexibility in positioning the griddle in your kitchen space. Designed by the reputable brand Bella.
Number 4. Electric Griddle. Bella Electric Griddle offers a convenient solution for versatile cooking needs in the kitchen. With its sleek black design and compact dimensions of 12.59 D into 22.44 W into 2.95 H, this griddle is not only stylish but also space-efficient, making it suitable for various kitchen setups. Crafted from durable aluminum and featuring a ceramic coating, the Bella Electric Griddle ensures even heat distribution and easy cleaning, enhancing the cooking experience. The 1,500 watts power output guarantees rapid heating, enabling efficient cooking and meal preparation. One notable aspect of this griddle is its manual control with 3 different settings catering to a range of cooking requirements. Whether you're preparing a hearty breakfast, delicious lunches, or delightful dinners, the versatility offered by the Bella Electric Griddle is commendable. Moreover, the inclusion of a warming tray adds to the functionality of this product, allowing users to keep dishes warm until serving.
Number 5. Frying pan. As a professional product marketing expert, I had the opportunity to test the Bella electric skillet and frying pan. This kitchen appliance delivers a manual operation, offering users full control over their cooking experience. Crafted in a sleek copper color, the skillet adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setting. Constructed using high-quality copper material, the Bella electric skillet and frying pan not only exude durability, but also ensure even heat distribution for optimal cooking results. The brand's commitment to quality shines through in this product, embodying reliability and functionality. Measuring at 12.2 inches in diameter, 16.73 inches in width, and 7.87 inches in height, this skillet provides ample space to cook a variety of dishes with ease. With a power wattage of 1200 watts, users can achieve efficient cooking performance while maintaining energy efficiency. Weighing only 4.7 pounds, the Bella electric skillet is lightweight and portable.